Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now I am going to give a clear information regarding the information system view, how it can be viewed as aboutness and what are the various types of the aboutness. Okay, Ingerson categorizes the information view into four types of the aboutness. The first one is nothing but the author aboutness. 1 minute. The first one is nothing but the author aboutness, and the second one is nothing but the indexer aboutness. Okay, and third one is nothing but the request aboutness, and fourth one is nothing but user aboutness. So, what all these things now we are going to see. The author aboutness is determined by the language of the author used. Is used as matched by the system in the natural language retrieval. Author aboutness is always depends upon the author's language, what kind of the language he is going to use, whether it is matched to the system language or not. Okay, and next indexer aboutness. The indexer transformation, he wants to index any kind of the information. He wants the information based upon the indexing. That kind of the indexing transformation can be done by the author's language matching or not. Okay, so others language vocabulary, that particular index is matching or not, that is nothing but the indexer aboutness. Okay, so the user who is going to select information based on the indexing, that must be matched by the author's natural language. Okay, so our natural language query or author's language vocabulary, whatever it is, that must be matched. Okay, the next one is request aboutness. Request aboutness is determined by the user's intermediary processing such statement into the query. Whatever information requested by the user in the form of the query, that must be clearly processed by the system. That is called as request aboutness. And finally, user aboutness. What is the user aboutness is nothing but the user uses some kind of the indexing and to access the information from the document, and whatever information wanted by the user, it must be clearly accessible, it must be clearly provided by the system. So these are all the various kinds of the aboutness, like author aboutness, indexer aboutness, request aboutness, and user aboutness. Author aboutness depends upon the author's language, whatever he is using, or author's vocabulary. Indexer aboutness depends upon the, it is also author, because indexing can be done based on the other's language. It is also depends upon the author's vocabulary. But request aboutness is depends upon the user's vocabulary, and user aboutness is also depends upon the user's vocabulary, whatever he is going to use to access the information from the system. So this is nothing but information system view as the aboutness. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and watch all the videos relevant to the information retrieval systems. Thank you for watching.